Hi there, the viewers. Honorable developers of Nani city, respected Colonel Rangarao, and revered Mr. Gokul, Madam Deepa, and all those great people who are linked with Nani infrastructures and developments. When I talk Nani city, then my happiness knows no bounds to also congratulate and wish them best of luck and happy new year to all the customers of Nani city. Dear friends, this Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi is standing at the stone gate, which is really a marvelous and wonderful gate on the Padmavati Somaram road. You can see this beautiful road. This is connecting this Padmavati Somaram road, which is connecting the Padmavati Somaram village and so many others, and then it is also extended to the Bibi Nagar, and there is a flyover which is connecting to the ring road, Hyderabad ring road, and to the Warangal road. Dear friends, this Fakir is very much loving everyone who is having a stake here in this Nani city. The developer, the builder, the infrastructure owner, Mr. Gokul and his honorable father, Colonel Rangarao, and all the esteemed customers who are more than thousands and thousands in numbers. Now, when I talk about Nani city, Colonel Rangarao is the greatest stakeholder. Besides playing the role of a developer, he has thousands of acres of land in this campus. And the customers are only having little 250, 350, and so just meager and very small plots in this area. Some has 2 plots, maybe 500, something like that, beloved friends. But my happiness knows no bound to congratulate you, and my heart is filled with joy to let you know that recently some activity has started towards the beautiful entrance gate of Nani city. You see, earlier there was a gate here. When there was a climax of Nani city, it has to be activated, renovated. It is not in very good condition. Guards are not deputed. See, the people come and start doing all the nuisance possible on earth. But some mighty wisdom and inspiration and the judicious attitude towards customers has taken a new turn. And now you can see they have started developing this road. And I heard from reliable sources that this will be, viewers, the main gate for Nani city. Yes, Nani city deserves the largest entrance gate, inside and outside, incoming and outgoing. Ordinary developers, if you go to the Padmavati Somaram road, you will find there are so many ventures. Wonderful gate. Face is an index of mind. The moment you come to the gate, you should know this is real Chandigarh of South, and this is really heaven on earth, because it will reflect the inside story of Nani city. It is a wonderful road. It is basically 6 feet. You can see the boundary, the white poles this side, and another white pole you will find that side. It is 6 feet wide road. And the beauty about this road is that it is connecting Sector 5, Sector 4, everywhere it goes. So that will be really a genuine connectivity to the Nani city. This road extends 5 to 6 kilometers, 7 kilometers, and it goes to the Angshapur. And of course you will see a lot of connecting roads, 60 feet, 40 feet, 30 feet. So there's a lot of beautiful things happening here. I feel very happy that Colonel Rangarao and his worthy son, my best friend and respected NRI Mr. Gokul, he has taken the initiative. And with his sincere commitment, what he has done to the customers in his brochures, if he fulfill all his dreams and all his responsibility, the customers will feel very much proud of him. Customers is ready to do everything what demand comes from Mr. Gokul, the now real hero in the helm of the development of Nani city. Customers want your help, Mr. Gokul, your support. Make this Nani city a dream come true project. A wonderful place where the people can come, build their house, construct their house, and you become a historical personality. The prodigy will feel so much proud of you. You have given us plots. This Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, has already constructed his house, and all these were possible because of your help. You are so generous and so kind, Colonel Ranga Rao sir. When I constructed my house in 2000, my beloved friend Mr. Gokul was in America. He was doing MS. But when he returned back, he was so much feeling proud of me, and I felt proud of him. He is a wonderful person. Of course, he is a bourgeois, the son of a billionaire, so he will have some of his pride and some kind of ego, but I also wish him best of luck. It is a relationship between customers and the developers. There has to be a coherent, harmonious, lovable, affectionate relationship between these two. It is something like the two sides of a coin, head and tail. Alone, nobody can survive. And another beautiful idea, what Colonel Ranga Rao sir had, when this area was fully saturated, he made extension of the project. You can see the other side there is extension. I am very happy also. This is extension of Narni city. This is extension. Of course, when you are real estate, there will be always some kind of disputes because all people want to be millionaire. So the flaws in the government is too much. There will be always some kind of hue and cry, commotion and chaos, but nothing to bother about it. And you see, this is the real road. You see, the JCB of Colonel Ranga Rao has come, which will start doing much more activities here. This is the real entrance gate, the future of Narni city, a wonderful gate. But it is just a small gate, 30 feet or maybe some 20 feet. But what I suggest, they have better ideas and they have a lot of architectural design engineers. It should be this big, from the left to the right, this big. One incoming, other outgoing. You have earned money. The management of Narni city now lavishly spend, and the attitude of penny wise and pound foolish, that is called short-sightedness, will not bring us the best we deserve from you. Be generous, because you have thousands of acres of land. You see wonderful buses flying. Connectivity is wonderful. School buses, state transport buses. This is a wonderful road, and this is going to the flyover of Bibinagar. So there is no hindrance or a stoppage in between. Directly our beloved customers and the developers can start from Sikandrabad, Hyderabad, and they can come to the Bibinagar flyover, and without any stoppage they can reach this gate. This is not a confirmation. Mr. Gokul, being my best friend also, he is so much busy. He hardly has some few minutes or seconds to talk to me. But I just gaze, because I claim myself as a chief constable of Narni city. I roam around every morning and every evening, and I know everything what is going on all around. I always claim myself the chief constable of Narni city. We wish all the best to the management of Narni city and to the customer. United we stand, divided we fall, because the law of the land is very powerful. Nobody can escape the judiciary system. We have been together, we shall be together, we are together. That is my wishes, because truth alone triumphs. Honesty, integrity, humility and generosity are our creed and must be our attitude towards making this really true sense of the term the Chandigarh of South. It is possible. Nothing is impossible for a great warrior and patriotic personality like Colonel Ranga Rao. 3 cheers, hippe hurray. We are now going to get a wonderful gate for us. This was called 4th gate. There is another gate which is called, Central Gate, that is closed. There was another gate near to the Bambino factory that has been stopped by Bambino, and railway has also encroached there. So now there is no chance there. But you see the rising soul and the great commitment of my beloved, your respected developer, Mr. Gokul. He is in the helm now, JCB after JCB. Congratulations, customers. Your dark days are gone. there is brightness all around. Asado ma sadgamyo, tamso ma jyoti gamyo, mrityu ma amritam gamyo. Mr. Gokul, take us from darkness to light. Take us from all these kind of frustration, depression and disappointment to a new vision where we can make this East City, true sense of the term, the Chandigarh of South. That is our commitment. It is your commitment. And you are not alone, Mr. Gokul. The mighty force of thousands of your customers are with you. We are together. We are in perfect harmony. And we are really want to commit everything what we have to do together. Because united only, this can be shaped into the heaven on earth. What is my dream and desire? You will do it, sir. You have done so much. Probably your company, Nani Developers and Infrastructure, is the largest real estate business in India. Some ifs and buts, but overall, we have not to judge each other by our past, because everything changes. Nothing is permanent. If we have a positive mental attitude, truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity and humility, we can really bring heaven to earth. Thank you, viewers, and thank you, Mr. Rao.